ชอบพักเหลือโลดจงจำต้อยถูกสิถูกเสียพังคนเร่งคนข่มพักโลดเป็นคนกาเฮาโมเมาในรับสับสนผลพี่ย้ำมอนมาพี่มีคิดแล้วให้ข้าห้ามเพราะการกระทำที่
ใหญ่คิดว่าอันไหนเนี่ยที่มันสำคัญที่สุด
จุดตาจุดตาเวลาเราให้มันสุขสบายเรามาสมมติว่าอย่างพวกเธอนี่นะมาต่างบ้านต่างจองมาแล้วมาสืบจุดตาแล้วก็ปลูกข้อมือปลูกข้อมือแบบนี้นะแล้วก็อยู่สบาย
What did we select as the ICH item in that village? This is the material item of like a ritual structure of the Subjata ceremony. So we, in consultation with the senior association and the ritual specialist, we selected this ritual as one of the most important thing in that village because it has an elaborate Buddhist ritual tradition that is practiced during on several occasions. So it at least happens once a year, and it can happen at any time whenever required. It depends upon the society, it depends upon the individual level. So at the community level, it is performed annually, and which brings the collective unity and for the purpose of well-being of the community. And in case of individual and the sick people, they perform this ceremony in their houses. So there are different ways of performing Subjata ceremony in their own context. Why we selected the Subjata ceremony as one of the ICH intangible heritage, cultural heritage. So because these are the reasons, ceremony is still performed lively by the community. Ceremony that is very important for the young ethnic groups in the community. Ceremony that has also a transmission issue in terms of because there are very few senior citizens who are really proficient in this ceremony at the moment. So the young generation may start to lose this tradition in the years to come. The tradition of Subjata ceremony is being transmitted from generation to generation through observation in the ancient days. Parents used to take their children where the Subjata is being performed. So the ritual specialist passed down their knowledge with the text Khambi Tuakham. The tradition was not passed on to the children of the senior community. At the moment, the earlier tradition is not being followed because the community center takes care of transmitting this Subjata ceremony to the younger ones. They have set up a specific body in terms of transmitting this Subjata ceremony to the students, to the younger ones. Unlike in the past, there is no family atmosphere like a circle involved at the moment. So the structure of this community center is such that it has the specific body to those who takes care of transmitting this to the younger ones. And it has also a written record used to revitalize this tradition probably around 1995. To revitalize, they used community temple and school as the term Bhuvan model to transmit the tradition to the school children. So the transmission no longer takes place in the houses like in the past.